Wolfchat Part 3. Evolution of the product. In the third delivery, we added a couple of functional requirements focused on better understanding how to perform process. To further formalize our process, we established what was our definition of done. In the artifacts, we added the survey used to validate the interfaces and a chatbot code adapted according to our project to make the informal tests. In the UI design, we made the necessary adaptations due to the change of the requirements. Finally, informal tests were performed to see if the different user profiles understood the way in which they could access and ask questions to the chatbot. Users. Our users, being the students, our potential users, future students not yet enrolled, and our clients, the coordinators of FMAT. Innovation. Due to the daily influx of repetitive emails from students, the innovation of this project is based on time optimization and communication simplification. Therefore, it is essential to implement a chatbot created to reduce this workload by giving immediate and precise responses to frequently asked administrative questions. In addition to saving time and reducing the workload, this improves communication by assisting as a useful mediator for both parties. Since there isn't currently anything similar in place for students of the mathematics faculty, there is a need for it. Requirements evolution. For this final delivery, we only added two more functional requirements, which are: small text must appear advising that the chatbot can solve the user's questions, and the chatbot must warn that the chat will be closed due to inactivity. You can find the full list of functional and non-functional requirements in our GitHub repository. Artifacts refinement. Fortunately, there weren't any changes on our artifacts. Our use case description, use case diagram, and sequence diagram were very well done in the second delivery. User interface evolution. For our user interface, we used Figma, and to validate our UI, we made a Google Forms to ask the students what they think of our design. Luckily, most answers said that they liked the design. For that reason, we decided not to make any changes to it. Testing. To test our chatbot, we coded a preliminary version of the chatbot. First, using a Google Forms, we asked the students to give us some questions they could have when visiting the FMAT webpage. We then added those questions with their answers to the chatbot. Here we can see some examples when we run the code. Process. Since we adopted the Scrum framework, we worked on 1-month sprints. Only this last sprint lasted 3 weeks. Acceptance criteria and definition of done. Here we can see the acceptance criteria of our project. To fulfill the definition of done, we need functionality, implementation, monitoring, and maintenance. Thank you for watching.